Don't bring this to Thanksgiving. Bring this. First up is to make the crust for our pie. Start by adding almond flour to the food processor bowl, and then tapioca flour, sometimes called tapioca starch on the package, followed by salt. After that goes 1 whole egg directly into the bowl, and coconut oil, which you'll want to be chilled or solid, so it helps to create a nice crumbly dough. Pulse to combine, and just enough to bring together into a nice even dough. Once that's complete, go directly into your pie pan, which we've wiped with a little bit of coconut oil to begin with. Pressing gently with your fingers, you want to create a nice even coverage all the way up the walls of the pan, making the rim of your choice. We're going to bake this first covered, so grab some aluminum foil and go straight into the oven for the first bake. After 15 minutes, we can pull that covering and let it bake for another 10. When it's finished, you can pull it out and let it cool while we prepare the filling. First up is sweet potato puree, which you can make by baking a sweet potato in the oven for 45 minutes and letting it cool. Next is honey for some lovely sweetness, followed by coconut oil, melted this time. After that is vanilla for some delicious flavor, as well as eggs. After this we have some pecans, ground ginger for a lovely spiced flavor, as well as cinnamon. Lid goes on, and we'll want to blend this till it's nice and smooth and thick. Once you have the consistency you'd like, pour it right into the pie pan and smooth it out. You can make a beautiful top to your pie by making a decoration with some pecans before going off to the oven for the final bake. Once it's finished, let it cool to room temperature, and then you can refrigerate it till it's ready to eat.